Hello everybody, it's Unicornia Girl, and a lot of things have changed because I've been trying to make like a video all day and they were all like ruined by something, so I hope this one does not get ruined. Anyway, so as you can see, I did some changes over here. I moved that over there and I moved my chair right here. I got a pie, a tea set, and a recycling bin, just so you know. And then I have this chair over here, and I like it a lot. And so let me just, also I got a cool little tail, which is pretty cool, which I like. But I got this cool little tail, it's so cute. But I got this cool little tail, and I made a video earlier that was like a shout out video, and somebody commented. I mean, I'm not a very famous YouTuber, so if somebody comments, I make shout out videos. So if more people start doing it, then I might not make a shout out video to everyone, but I might make a video saying to every people that want a shout out, like not say, hey, can you give me a shout out? No, I'm not gonna give you a shout out if you do that. Only maybe if you be nice in the comments. I will do a shout out video to all the people that I see are being nice in the comments. Just so you know, if you say anything mean in the comments, do you think this little bunny cares what you think? That tail wagging, no. No. Anyway, so let's see who's online. Oh, okay. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Beanless only party. Do I even have a treasure hunt? I mean, I haven't had a treasure hunt all day. 5 hours and 33 minutes, seriously. Anyway, so let's see, what should we do? I'm not really sure. Maybe we can go check out some of the dens that they have. That'll be fine. Let's check out what's in this, the one at top. Today we are going to look at some houses, some dens. Let's go through it. I'm the den approver. I'm the den approver. That's exactly what this video is going to be called, the den approver. Okay. Wow. It's very decorated. I wish I had a very big den so I could decorate it. Okay. Okay. Oh, very nice. Yes. Okay, great. Amazing. Whee! And a pot of gold. Okay. This den, I guess, has my approval. The tail's wagging, yes, yo. Okay, so this den has my approval mostly because it's the best den. And let's go check out if it has anything up on the hill. Because if it does, it might be good. Ooh, good, they decorated it. Oh my goodness, how do you do that? How do you make it to where the portal's like that? I know there's a little portal, but how did he get it to do that? That's amazing. So this den gets the bunny approval. Next den. Den approval day. Den approval. Pink panda, apparently. Pink panda, apparently. Yeah. So let's check it out. Master Super Wolf. Yeah, that's fine. I've never seen a den like that does that. How does it do that? Anyway, but this is nice. I love the disco and the rainbow theme. Oh, that's really cool. This should have gone #1 den. I mean, seriously, look at all these stuffed animals. This is so, there's like a bunch of pandas over here. Wait. Let's convince people I am one of the stuffed animals. Well, on fire. You cannot tell me apart from the crowd. I am a stuffed animal. I am a very cute monster stuffed animal. Okay, they're gone. Let's go. Okay, wow. Okay. This is pretty cool. Honestly. So let's go down the slide. Oh, I love that pixelated tree. I want it. Okay, wow, cool. How do you eat? I just have one question. How do you even get your den to where like this? Like one of the dens on the map. I don't know. Anyway, ooh, I like it. It's not very decorated down here though. That's my only concern. After we check out all the houses, we will see which one's the best. So I give this one. It is great. It is cool. It's cool. So let's check out Party Wolf DJ something. I don't know. Wonder Wolfie. Wonder what's gonna go on. Let's see. Oh, this is. I like. This is so cool. It looks like the sunset. How did they make it look like a sunset? How did they make it look like a sunset? Or is this like just part of the whole deal of getting this house? I think it's part of the whole deal of getting this house, but probably not this pathway though. Wow. This is so cool. It's like entirely made out of candy. I will have to give this a 5 because this is amazing. A 5 is the highest you could get, and then I would give like taking a bath in some hot chocolate. I love it. Oh my goodness. Did they have to buy this or it came with it? This is amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, you can walk on the roof. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is amazing. I give this a 5 out of 5. Or if it was a 10 out of 10, then I'll give it a 10 out of 10. But this is, what, like you could put like 1,000 stuffed animals on here. That's just precious. Oh my goodness. We should have like a stuffed animal shopping day. That would be amazing. Oh, how the heck? How the heck do you do that? What? Oh my goodness. Okay guys, this is the best so far. That is cool. Okay, let's look at Rady 12313. I think it's Ratty. I don't know. Ratty Tech. Why am I saying that? Okay. Oh, it's one of these dens. These dens kind of annoy me because I can never figure out how do I get on the slide. Anyway, but okay. I mean, those are a melted snowman, so that's cool. That's cool. I would kind of like a mailbox. I kind of want more like a theme. I like themes. Like that was a gingerbread theme. Okay, is it Christmas time themed? Apparently, it's Christmas time themed. So now over here, it's like pizzeria themed. Yeah, I like themes because they're better. I like them. Because you have a theme in each room and it's just really cool. Okay, what's up here? Oh, is this how you get on the side? Because I never knew how. Okay, this is just weird. Oh, let's see. That's cool. And that's cool. Wait, can I get on the side? Oh, dang. I want to get on the side. Wait, is this how I get on the slide? This better be, yes! I found the way to get on the slide! Oh yeah! I never knew this slide would be this way! Woohoo! Oh yeah! I didn't even fall in the water. Well, I give this a 4. I mean, I'm not trying to be rude or anything, it's just, it's good. Let's check out Awesome Cute Princess. Okay, attention awesome. Like, attention, attention, is this good or not? I'm sorry if the camera's moving a lot. Oh, I like that. I like the wolf holding the pizza. That's cool. Oh, I like it when people have small dens and they decorate them really cool. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is cool. Oh my goodness. This is so, like, it seems so big. How do they do that? So, I would give this a 9. This is, that's just amazing. Okay, that's just amazing, guys. Okay, let's check out Sandy Bandy 4. Sand. Spontaneous sand. Spontaneous sand. I don't know. I'm thinking of like words I can think of. I don't know. Ah, another small den. I love small dens because I have one and I can think of ideas when people have them. Oh my goodness. Wish my den was like this. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I like this. This is really, oh, I love all the trees. I mean, that makes it really nice, like living in the woods. Wow, this is really cool. Let's check out the next one. So, Kawaii Reindeer Lover. Okay, or love. Probably because I couldn't fit the whole thing on it. Oh, okay. These ones kind of annoy me in some way. I mean, they're really cool, but yeah, I mean, I see a lot of them. Like, a lot of people get them, and this one's not really that decorated. I mean, it's just not that decorated. No. I usually don't like the friendship castles. I don't know why, but this den is pretty cool. So we're getting to the bottom of the list. So, okay, Snow White Wolf 11. Okay, Snow White Wolf 11. I'm not gonna make any more rhymes with the words or whatever. Oh, it's another one. Oh, that must have took a long time to get all these games inside your house. I would love to make an arcade inside my house. Honestly, that would have been amazing. This is cool. Okay. Oh, okay. I like up here. This is really cool. I don't think this still belongs here though. Okay, I guess they decorated some. Ooh, stop down. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's get down. Whee. Wait, do they all have like, yeah, they all have the heart thing, or is this one just bigger? I don't know. Anyway, let's check out the next one. I don't know if we're on the last one or not. Rad boy. Rad boy. Let's check this out. Okay. Oh, I like this den. This is one of my favorite dens too. Ooh, I like it. This is nice. Is there a way you can change the weather or something? Because I would like to change my weather from day to night. Ooh, this is pretty. I like it. Ooh. Oh, this is cool. Their den is really decorated. If I could just get out of the side instead of... What's back here? Ooh, a little plant area. I love it. This is one of my favorite dens because I can make a plant area over there. Everybody usually does that. Oh my goodness. So cool. Wait, can I get on? Whoa, this is so awesome. Oh. Man, that is cool. Ah! I'm gonna go on it again. Like, just one more time, guys. Just one more time. Let me go have some fun. Because that's pretty amazing. If I just say so myself. Woohoo! Spaceship. Okay, next, I think there should be a next one. Horse Girl 14 and then Shipio or something. And after that, we're gonna check out if my buddies are online or if there is a party that we can go to. Okay. Oh, I've seen these dens before. These are, like, a lot of the dens I really like. These are one of the dens I really like. Because you can make it to where it's like this is the living room. And it's just so cool. Like, right here, this is amazing. So you can make it like a little living room. And then you can, like, this is really cool. Oh my goodness. You can do that? Oh, that's like a little crib. I want to do that. I'm going to go back to my den after the last one, and then I'm going to do that. That's so cute. Like a little movie theater, everybody does that. Okay, cool. I'm not going to check it anymore because I really want to go to my den. But we'll check out the last one, and then we're going to go to my den and do the same thing. Because that is really cool. I mean, duh. I'm going to put like one of my stuffed animals in there. It's just going to be precious. This is cool. So we might go through this because it's the last one. And I mean, oh, wow, this is really cool. I like it. This is cool. Let's check out up here. Ooh, those are a lot of trophies. They must have a lot of animals. Okay, let's go up here and up here because I want to go down the slide because I love the slide. Woohoo! Yeah. Woo! I like their den. Like, I could see while I was going on the slide. Okay, let's go to our den. I mean, all the dens are really cool. The den that I said I would give a 5 at, I forgot which one that was, but the one I said I would give a 5 for, it's just amazing. I love it. So where's my swing? Oh, I could do it. Oh, where am I gonna do it though? Maybe I could take out the bookshelf and put it somewhere. Maybe I can see. I mean, duh. Is there anything? Yep, I just need to check the time. Just so you know, guys, I'm spending the whole day inside my house. So, maybe we can move a few things around. Let's move the light first of all. Let's move this. This cost me a lot of money. I'm keeping this. I can recycle the light, just not this. Okay, there we go. Okay. There we go. That's fine. We can fix it later. Because I'm definitely I'm stealing the idea. Because I want to put all my stuffed animals up there. Let's move a few things out of the living room. Maybe that'll help. Okay, there we go. Let's take it all out and kind of like... And we're going to keep the rug though, because the rug it took me a little while when I was doing my redecorating to do it, so yeah, we're just going to keep that. Okay, so we're going to need that wall over there, right here, so we can't use the wall, so let's add this over here. Okay, there we go, and we'll turn this around. Oh, we might have to move this chair because I'm keeping a chair. I'm keeping this chair. I mean, duh. I'm like a hoarder. An Animal Jam hoarder. Okay, that's fine. Well, maybe we could turn it around. Like that. Yeah, we could do that. So it's like a little area you can sit while you eat your food. Yeah, that's nice. I like it, okay? There we go. And we're gonna move the DJ table to sit right here. And I'm gonna have a DJ table. Turn it around. There we go. I'm not taking out this DJ table. It is mine. And I'm gonna put this right there. There we go. This is annoying me so much. Alright, there we go. I'll put on one of the discs. That's amazing, Alice. Amazing. Or I can put it on the couch. There we go. Where was the thing that I was gonna use? Oh, right. I'm like, where was the thing that I was gonna use? They might have to take a few things out. Okay, definitely recycling this. I mean, well, I don't really use it anymore. What am I gonna use it for? I'm sorry, I'm gonna recycle. Recycle you. So we might have to take a few pillows out. I mean, let's move this over here. If there's talking in the background, I'm sorry. I'm trying to make them be quiet. I'm sorry. P.S. I love my sisters. I'm not me. At least I try not to be. Just me, I do. I do try. Sometimes Mrs. Big Sissy gets angry. And it doesn't go out well. Let's just turn this. I need to get it perfect. Nope, gotta scooch. Okay. Wait, is something am I done? I saw something. Anyway. There we go. I like it. Okay. I can call that my bed. I can call it my bed. Okay. I still want to move this because I just don't think it's in the right spot. Why can't you just fold over? There we go. There. Finally. So sorry, had to burp. Let's see, do we have any other rugs? We have the broken heart rug. Where is that? Do I not use it? Oh, it's under here. Yeah, I'm actually going to try to put it on there. Come on, can it work? Can it work? Yeah. Can I try my other one? I want to kind of like make it like a blanket. I want it to be like a blanket. Or I can do this. Be like a rug on the wall. Like, oh. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Let's just move it like that. There we go. And get this rug, and I can put that on the wall. I can put it like this, and it'll be kind of like part of the bed. There we go. And let's see all my stuffed animals. Okay. We'll take that out, and we'll move my koala bear, and it'll be right here. Turn him around. And we'll need to move my other seal, Lucille. And we'll move this stuffed animal. Oh no, that's not good. Doop, 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 doop. There we go. Lucille. Are you I can't really see with my finger in the way. I saw her eyes in some kind of way. Finally! I still want to move her. I'm sorry, guys. I accomplished something and then I want to move it. Fine. There we go. And we'll move the bunny. Because I can. And I want to. Bunny, go be with your friend. Bunny, bunny, go be with your friend. Bunny, baby, boo. Bunny, no, you're not supposed to be out. You're supposed to be right here. Bunny is boom, 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 bunny. Bunny. Bunny, bunny, boo. There we go. And let's get out. I love it. It's so cute. It's really weird, but it's cute. Let's get right here. And I can go in my laptop. Doop, doop, doop. Okay. I like it. It's like a bed. Wait, one of my stuffed animals is floating. That's not a very good sign. Oh dear, that's not good. Girl, you need to sit your bottom down. Dang it, she's still floating. Stop floating. You're not supposed to be floating. I'm not supposed to be floating in midair. You're not supposed to, baby. Doo. There you go. I like it. It's like a little bed. Let's sleep. Let's sleep. I love it. That's so cute. Let's let's change it to a wolf real quick. And then we'll check it out. Also, I got a little scarf for my wolf because I thought it would just be a little bit better because it's different. Oh, I love that idea. That is so cool. It's like a little bed. I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, one more check. Seriously? Okay. Well, guys, it's been an amazing video, and I had a great time with you guys checking out houses. So, bye!